Round number 4 against with day 1 with PD World Teams Rapid Chess Championship 2026 with between by Team International Tradings by Beautiful Pretty International Master Serbia Theodora Inchak and versus by the team of Dragon Chilling by my favorite players Grandmaster China Lei Ting Chi. So let's play up this one with play chess here. White pieces by Beautiful Pretty International Master Theodora is Knight f3, Knight f6 by Lei, g3, g6 with g6 by next of Dark Square Bishop g7 by Lei here. And also Pawn c4 by Theodora, Bishop g7 without coming by next castling kingside by Lei here. And also Knight c3 by Theodora, castling kingside by Lei, and also Bishop g2 with next up castling kingside by Theodora here. And also pawn d6 here by Lei with a pawn d6 with more of this one with move pawns with a move by next of bishop f5 or bishop g4. So this is a more creating by this one with next transferring by exchange move here. So it is called by this one with book lines with openings here. So with the King's Indian Defense, Fianchetto, Yugoslav, Kavalek, Rothstein variation. So this is a variation by this one with book lines here. Castling Kingside with book lines by Theodora with Team International Tradings here. And also C6 by Lei with Team Dragon Chilling here. And also Pawn D4 by Theodora. Bishop F5 with good full size here with more of perfect shot by Lei. So this is a good more by this one with large square with Bishop here. And also Rook E1 by Theodora. So next up this one with controls with Rook E files here. And also Knight E4, what the perfect shot by this one. So more powerful, strong against with Lei. So that knights with targets with threatening the knights here. So this is a move by this one with bishop. So this is a dark square diagonals here. So with that move by this one with bishop, more of this one. So dark square diagonals here. And also queen b3 with exposed by provides with Theodora with devolves by knights and pawns here. Knight captured excelente. So excelente by captured by Lei here. And also captured by Theodora. Why captured? So without because the captured is pawn, so this is a weak ugliness pawn structure here. So because this is a weak pawns here. And also queen b6 by this one with Lei, with challenge by with targets by with queen to queen here. And also pawn e4 by Theodora. Because the three connected pass pawns, so triple pawns without pawns threatening the bishop here. So with that explained for example here. Why don't we accept it if a queen captured accepted here? And also captured. Why captured? Because this is a blocks by weak ugliness pawn structure with blocks and versus by white pieces weak ugliness pawn structure. So this is a good for examples here. Because this is a weak by this one, so this is a bad pawns from incompletes here. So this is a examples. So that idea with Theodora with Team International Tradings is pawn e4 with more of this one with threatening the bishop and bishop g4, what a powerful strong by Lei with bishop threatening the knights here. So this is a attacks by targets. And also with Theodora is pawn h3 threatening the bishop. So choose if you backwards or captured. With that idea with Lei is bishop captured accepted. So captured of this one with eating the knights. Bishop captured by Theodora, and also c5 with threatening the pawns, attacks the pawns, and also powerful strong e5 by Theodora here. So it means, so if you capture these pawns here, if you capture this d takes captured, and also queen captured accepted and captured. So this is a weak by ugliness pawn structure, and also both by this one white versus black here. And also bishop b2. So bishop b2, so it means for example, so if you bishop here, so this is a threatening the pawns or piece against insert by this one with rooks. So together by movement is bishop b2 here. So this is a good for examples here. So with that push by powerful by this one by Theodora is pawn to e5 here. So with that attacks the pawns. And also knight to c6 by Lei. So with that movement by maneuvers here against positional move here. Or maybe with that more of this one with controls by rook ad8. So this is a with controls by rook. So with the rook here. So this is a powerful by controls 8th rank here. And also capture this pawn by Theodora, captured by Lei, and also bishop f4 to provides by bishop to develops the pawns here. So this is a pawns. And also h6 by this one with Lei, and also pawn h4, g5. So this is a novelty with Lei. So another novelty by this one with positional move here. So this is the all main lines here is masteropeningschess.com is rook ad8 with all main lines here. So with another novelty is g5. So this is a novelty. So last round number 1. So this is a novelty by blacks against Lei here. And today's round number 4. So another novelty here. And also with Excelente with Theodora is captured this pawn. Excelente captured by Lei, bishop captured, and also knight captured. Because so it means if you move by bishop here, movement, and knight captured here. Because the knight captured against with pawns here. And also bishop g2. I'm sorry I forgot. So it means let's review back here. So it means knight captured e5, so with that knight threatening the bishop here. So it means with the Theodora is backwards bishop g2 here. So I'm sorry I got forgot by this one with knight threatening the bishop. So this is a we talk about by this one with communications here. So bishop g2 by Theodora, rook fe8 by Lei, with controls by rook e5 with pins against that with rooks here. And also rook ad1, so rook pairs against that, so this is a movement by this one with rooks. And also queen a5 with ignorance here, so does not like of this computer engine here with Lei. So the best move that the once computed better move is accepted, queen captured accepted here. The queen captured b3. If you pawn captured here, and also pawn to e6. So this is a good score, slightly better for blacks here. Okay, so back there, this one is queen a5 avoided by this one with Lei here. And also rook a3. So rook a3 by Theodora with an idea by next battery here. And also rook ad8 with a challenge by rook to rook. So another bad move by Lei. So the best move this one is queen g6 again. Queen g6 again. So second times by better move. So miss by better move here. So with that idea, with threats the queens here. So with that rook ad8 by this one with Lei here. And also rook de1. So with that battery. So another explain here. Sir, why don't we rook capture this? Okay, if you rook capture d8, queen capture rook. So this is a with once of this computer with more of this one in Stockfish here. So with the back there, this one is battery rook de1 here to avoid it here by this one with continuous here with more of this ignorance here. And also knight d3, what a strong powerful by this one with Lei. With that knight d3 with a threatening the rooks with going out by targets here. And also rook d1 by this one with Theodora here. So prevents by this one with rooks here against with pins against rook. So this is a more of this one we creates here on how of this one to targets here against with the battle of against with white versus black here. Knight e5 by Lei, what the openings here. So without openings with knight e5 here to attacks with challenge by rook to rook here. And more of this shield is bishop d5 by Theodora here. So another second example. So why don't we rook capture? It's okay. If you rook takes d8 here, if you queen captured here, and also bishop captured. So this is a goods for slightly better here. So another. So if you, why don't we rook captured? If you rook captured here, and also queen captured here. So this is a another second once of this computer here. So it means with bishop threatening the pawns here. So this is a easy for examples here. Okay, so with that factor this one with shield by Theodora is bishop e5. So this is a more powerful here. And also pawn b5 by Lei, which attacks the pawns here. And also backwards queen c2 by Theodora, and also knight captured here. So knight captured. So for example, so do not move by this one with e6. So with openings here, so e6, so opening bishop, threatening the rooks here. So this is a blunder issues by pawn e6 here. And bishop captured here, so this is the one rook down here. And also rook captured here, and also queen e2. So queen e2 here, so this is a more of this one with examples. So it means so do not move by this one with pawn e6 because blunder ratios. Focusing by this one with chess here. So with that idea with Lei, to move up this one is knight captured here. So knight captured with idea to threats the rooks. Because this is a provides here by targets by going out the rooks here. And with also with that Theodora is rook captured. What a strong powerful by this one with Theodora. So what's the plus? Oh, with bishop captured here. So with bishop captured check, so it means double. So this is a very doubles with strongest powerful here. Knight d6 by Lei here, defense by pawns here, and another strong powerful here by this one with Theodora, queen g6. What a sacrifice here. Oh my god, what a sacrifice. So queen g6 here. So it means so do not captured by pawn captured queen, so this is a bishop pins here with check. What a perfect shot here by this one with Theodora. And also with queen captured, wait, a queen captured pawn. So it means with queen captured pawns, we also with Lei here. And another with the powerful is bishop captured. What a strong with a powerful by this one with Theodora. What a perfect. With a check here, so it means traps the rooks here. With a create by challenge by rook to rook. What a perfect by strongest powerful here with Theodora. So it means so 1 minute plus 10 seconds, almost times here by Theodora, and versus 17 seconds by Lei. Oh my god, so this is a cannot concentrate. This is a frustrated by stressful by this one by Lei here. And also without movement by Lei, knight captured bishop here. So knight captured, and also queen captured here with check here, and also king h7, and also with the last move. Okay, so with that first guessing puzzle, what do you think about the last move here with team international tradings in Theodora in Chap? So with that international master with beautiful pretty here with Serbia. So before resigns by Team Dragon cheating by Grandmaster Dating Chi here. So our tips here with a guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Queen h5 check. Resigns by Lei. Oh my god, what a defeated by this one with blacks here. So because this is a very strong move against that, because this is a murder massacre against with whites here. So this is a provides here. Oh my god, what, what, win by this one with perfect shot by Theodora. So for example, why she resigns? For example, if a king e2 here, and also, so another here with queen f7 check. The king h7, so it means, so with a here, queen h5 check. If you movement here, so this is a 3 repetition draw. So this is a draw here. So it means, so I thought late king G was win against that because this is a more of this one with stressful against that. So with the China here. Okay, so the score with Theodora 94.8. What a perfect score here by a currency. And 99, I mean 79.8. What the lowest. So with a late king G here. So it means, so don't forget by this one with game number 4 by Chess Face to Face with tournaments 2026 between me versus Treston here. So I will play up this one with Play Chess here. Okay, so the next up this one. So day number 2 here with Blitz here. So with that I will choose of this one. I will choose of this one with games here with Blitz. Okay, so I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess update. So don't forget by subscribe by Mark Logi 17 English only part 1 and Mark Logi 17 part 2 Cebuano and Tagalog. And don't forget by views. I have 13 views here my videos against round number 2. So it means need by watching of this video. If you cannot understand my grammars, my language, so it is okay. So need my practice by this one to speak English here. And keep updates on this next chess update. So good night.